Welcome to Life at Hacks. Today we will cover 15 essential Android safety features. I have gathered 15 commonly asked questions from Android users. I will demonstrate how to set up step by step in settings, making your phone much safer. Let's dive into it. Question 1. How do I set a secure screen lock, PIN or password or pattern? First line of defense, a strong screen lock. Here's how to set it up. Open Settings, tap Lock Screen and Always On Display, tap Screen Lock and Biometrics, choose PIN or password. The PIN should contain at least 6 digits. Password must contain at least 4 characters, including at least 1 letter. Enter the PIN or password to confirm. You can also set up pattern, but less secure. Question 2. How to add fingerprint on Samsung phone? Biometrics speed things up. Set it securely. Here's how to set it up. Open Settings, tap Lock Screen and Always On Display, tap Screen Lock and Biometrics, tap Fingerprint, tap Add Fingerprint, tap Register. Press your finger inside the circle. Lift it when the circle is fully highlighted. Follow on-screen prompt to save fingerprint. Question 3. How to lock my SIM card with a SIM pin? SIM pin prevents someone swapping your SIM. Here's how to set it up. Open Settings, tap Security and Privacy, tap More Security Settings, tap SIM card Security, toggle Lock SIM card on. Enter current SIM pin, default from carrier. Confirm new pin if prompted. It is important to store your SIM pin somewhere safe. 3 wrong entries can block the SIM. In that situation, PUK code is needed. Question 4. How to enable Find My Device so I can locate or lock my phone? Find a lost phone fast. Here's how to set it up. Open Settings, tap Security and Privacy, tap Lost Device Protection, tap Find My Mobile. Toggle Allow this phone to be found on. Enable Send Last Location and Offline Finding. On the website, go to Find My Device and sign in to confirm visibility. Keep location service on for this to work. Question 5. How to remotely lock or erase my device if it's stolen? If a device is lost or stolen, lock it or wipe it remotely. Here's how to set it up. On another Android device, open Find My Device app. Visit google.com/android/find and sign in. Select your phone. Choose Secure Device or Erase Device. Confirm action. It is important to remember erase is permanent and will remove data and backups. Try Secure Lock first. You can still track it. Erase only if you must. How do I turn on Google Play Protect and scan apps for malware? Let Google Play Protect scan apps automatically. Here is how to set it up. Open Google Play Store. Tap profile icon, top right hand corner. Tap Play Protect. Tap setting gear icon. Enable scan app with play protect, and also enable improve harmful app detection. Back in play protect, tap scan to run a manual scan. Play protect catches many threats but avoids site loading apps you don't trust. Question 7. How to keep Android systems and apps up to date? Update make your system safer. Keep them on. For Android system update, open settings. Tap software update. Tap download and install. This action will check for updates. Install if available. For Android apps update, open Play Store. Tap profile picture. Tap manage apps and device. Check updates available. Tap update all. Here's how to set up auto updates. Open Play Store. Tap profile picture. Tap settings. Tap network preferences. Tap auto update apps. Select Wi-Fi only or over any network. Question 8. How to manage app permissions? Control what app can access. Here's how to set it up. Open settings. Tap security and privacy. Tap more privacy settings. Tap permission manager. Select a permission, for example location or camera. Select allow only while using the app, ask every time or deny. Repeat for critical permission, camera, microphone or location. Remember to use ask every time for sensitive permission when unsure. Question 9. How to view privacy dashboard and block pop-ups. Open settings. Tap security and privacy. Tap internet privacy protection. Here you can turn the toggle switch to on for block pop-ups. Question 10. How to set emergency SOS, emergency contacts and medical information. Set up SOS so help can come fast. Here's how to set it up. Open settings. Tap safety and emergency. Tap medical information. Add medical information. Tap emergency contact. Add emergency contact. Question 11. How to set up a secure folder to separate personal and sensitive apps. Keep sensitive content in a locked space. Here's how to set it up. Open settings. Tap security and privacy. Tap more security settings. Tap secure folder. After setup, choose secure folder lock types. Use such as PIN, password or pattern. To change your login detail, sign in with your Samsung account and reset. Question 12. How to use app pinning when lending your phone. Lend your phone safely. Pin one app. Here's how to set it up. Open settings. Tap more security settings. Turn on toggle switch. Allow apps to be pinned. Enable screen pinning and choose whether a pin is required to unpin. Tap recent apps. Tap the app icon. Tap the pin icon. To unpin app, touch and hold the recent and back button at the same time. Question 13. How to disable app personalization and tracking. Limit targeted data collections. Here's how to set it up. Open Settings. Tap Security and Privacy. Tap More Privacy Settings. Tap Ads. Tap Delete Advertising ID. Ad may still appear but with less profiling. Question 14. How to hide sensitive content on the lock screen. Keep notification private on the lock screen. Here's how to set it up. Open Settings. Tap Notifications. Tap Hide Content while locked. Select Hide when locked. Hiding content prevents message previews from being read by others. Question 15. How to automatically lock phone immediately after sleep. Don't leave the screen unlocked when it goes dark. Here's how to set it up. Open Settings. Tap Lock Screen and Always On Display. Tap Secure Lock Settings. Tap Auto Lock when screen turns off. Set to immediately. This setting will prevent someone from waking the phone without your PIN. That's it. 15 Android safety features you can enable right now. If you like this video, please subscribe and tell me which feature you want a deep dive on. If you like this video, please give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one.